getting chilly out there, my friend.
For everybody, whether you're outside the city, in the city, it's going to get real cold. In fact, I think it's going to be the coldest air that we've had since probably February. You'll wake up to tomorrow morning. So let's just get ready for it right now. Checking in with the weather watcher. Some of you out there are already down to the freezing mark. In fact, below the freezing mark. This is a 30-degree reading from Barry out in Bloomingdale. And what are you telling me, Barry, right now? You're saying with a dew point of 18, that's low, right? The temperature will likely drop to the low 20s here. Yep, I agree with that, Barry. It's going to be real cold starting off the morning. Factor in some wind chills, and it's going to feel even colder. So let me show you how I see everything working out, because there's really a couple of stories here. Number one, that cold air, and it will be cold for everybody. That's what comes in first. Second is our next snow chance. Looks to be Sunday night going into Monday, and I think you could have some measurable snow for some areas further south than what we're typically talking about. It's not just north of 287. I think even the city this time could maybe see a little bit of measurable snow. We'll check in on that here in just a moment. But first, let's go over and see how much snow it is that we could potentially see out there by the time we get to Monday morning. I think it's Sunday night, could start off as some snow, and then later as you go through Monday, I think it's going to turn to rain. But it's possible. Here you are Monday, 8 a.m., could have sort of a slick commute out there, because New York City could even have half an inch or so, maybe 0.7 according to this computer model. And I look at Monticello, the typical spots in north and west city, see the bigger numbers, around 4.2 projected. Okay, Sunday night going into Monday. But let's spend some time talking about the cold air that's out there. And the real cold, okay, it's getting colder in our area, but it's still out around the northern plains. These are current temperature readings. I mean, look at this. Billings is coming in at 4 degrees below zero. Cheyenne is 7. Now you factor in some wind chills out there. And I mean, 15 below zero in portions of North Dakota right now. This air mass is what we watch to move into our area by, say, later tomorrow going into early Saturday morning for the coldest. Now, what we're going to watch will be this rush of air coming in, from Canada, and that will cool us off. As far as what we see for precipitation, you want to watch. It could be some flurries tomorrow. Could be some flurries, but this is what it looks like Sunday night, okay, going into Monday morning. Could be some snow out there. All right, what do I see for tomorrow? I see a gusty, windy day. 39, it feels like you're in the 20s all day long. For the weekend, Saturday is the coldest yet, 35 starting off, mid-20s out there. Sunday, late clouds, 37, and that's where you could also see a precipitation chance. And now we take a peek at the 7-day forecast, and the numbers come together like this. We talked about how the weekend is going to be real cold out there. By the time you get to Monday, you're looking at 43 degrees for an afternoon high. That's why I think if it starts off as snow on Sunday evening, it would turn to rain later. But you could pick up some snow first that actually is measurable in the city before it turns over to rain. And then areas north and west, it could stay all snow. That's why you have the possibility of seeing a 3 to 6 inch range there.
Exciting.
Thank you.
Kind of exciting.
For some.